Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can activate Louis Vuitton Women's Voyager show theme on Facebook Messenger. So first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Messenger. Then you need to click on Messenger and you need to update your Messenger application. Once you complete that, you need to go back and you need to log in into your Messenger account and click on any conversation. From here you need to click on the person name on the top and click on theme and select Louis Vuitton Women's Voyager show theme. Click on select and now you can see that this theme is activated for this conversation. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.